Hello friends, welcome to BGA app. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up the BGA app if you have downloaded it fresh from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So let's just check it out. Once you download it and install it, click on the icon to launch the app. It will ask you to enter your email ID and the password to login. Right now, I'm going to use the organizer's email ID and password. Because organizer has a lot of access right in the system. They can set up a game, create members, create events, and things like that. Different user roles like player, friends and family, organizer, and admin in the system. So now we have logged in successfully within the app. But because we don't have any data, it shows no data. On the top left, you have the BGA icon. You click on the BGA icon, it will open up the menu for you. Right now, we want to go through and navigate to the members. Click on the members from the menu. It will load the member list for you. You can see there is a green switcher which is showing the organizer role for a couple of users. But I'm going to click on the Add Member from the bottom button. Once you click on that member, it will open up the form like this. Here you can add the member name, phone, BGHCP, their Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter handles, and profile photo. This is organizer's view. So organizer can add any member in the system. So it's just so useful for any organizer to add members. If you click on the pencil button, which is the edit member icon, it will allow you to edit the member. If you want to add any more details to members, you can. So we have just added a few details and the member is updated successfully. So this is how you can add and edit the member. If a member has forgotten their password, you can always change the password for them. Just by clicking the edit icon next to their name, you can open up the edit window for them. So let's just open up the menu, go to members again, and click the edit icon, pencil icon. At the top, you can click on the change password tab. Once you click on the change password tab, it will ask you to enter a new password. As an organizer, you can change the password for any members who are struggling to log in into the system. This will be helpful in the first step. So I've entered a new password for a particular member. And by clicking the change password button, admin will be able to change the password for any member. There are some validations in the system that you need to make sure are there so that you can change the password. We have updated the password for a particular user. Then we are going to go to the settings to show you the PayPal, add PayPal payment details. It will ask you to add PayPal ID. Using this, you can get the payment as well as send the payment to other members if you owe some money. So I'm going to add PayPal email ID so that I can accept the payment. So I have added the payment detail. Right now, we are having PayPal only. But in future, there will be more payment gateways that we can support. Then you know we can again go to the home page from the bottom menu. You see there are 5 icons. The first icon is home page. You can go to BGA, click on the BGA icon, load the menu, and click on course. These are the courses that we have added in the system. You can also add a new course by clicking the bottom button which is add course. You can add course by giving course name, location, number of holes the course has. You can also upload the course image if you want to upload. Then there is whole layout. You can upload a photograph for a course. Then there are course T. You have gold, blue, white, different levels. Then add the slope and ratings for those levels. So we have added here for the gold and blue, the slope and ratings. Adding sample values, this may not be the actual value but for demonstration purpose. And then once you add those things, it will ask you for each hole. Yards, HCP male, HCP female. So we're going to show some demo values in the yards field for each hole, all the way to the 18 hole we have add values. Now we are at hole number 17 and hole number 18. So we are just done adding values for the gold level. Now we're gonna add HCP for each hole all the way to the 18 hole. So we have added the HCP. You save the course. So we have created a course successfully. By clicking on the three-dot menu and clicking on Edit button, you can always edit the course. Remember, there were a few details that were not added last time, so we can add it. You can always delete the course if you want to by clicking three-dot menu and clicking the Delete button. So this was the course menu that you can see and play around. Then we have the event. So click on Events tab while going to the home page from the bottom menu. You can create an event by clicking on the Create Event button just below the banner. You can give event name, start date and time, end date, location. You always add participants. These are the members who are going to take part in the event called event. These are ideally the players that are going to be there in the event. A player. And it contains the description, event feature photo, and other photo. Feature photo is something that highlights the icon that you can see as a thumbnail. By clicking on three-dot menu again, you can edit the event. Three-dot menu always gives you the option to edit the event delete features in the system. So we have one event that we just added. You can switch over between Games and Event tab. Now we are done with the events. Now let's just go to Menu and see the T-sheet. So click on the T-sheet and it will show you. There are a couple of courses we have added. Within that, we have two groups that we have added. So Kingwood Island is the course and there are two groups as you can see, Group 1 and Group 2. We have added a few players there. But we are going to click on three-dot menu, click on Edit. Now I have to add the Group 3. Two groups are there but Group 3, once you click on Edit Group, it will open up this kind of thing where Group 3 players I can select. So I'm gonna go select 4 players in a foursome. It will also ask me to add tee time. I'm gonna do that and it has different tee times for front and back. You can do that. Let's just save it. So we have third group that we just added. Now I'm going to click on Save T-sheet. It has 3 groups that I have added. You can click on three-dot menu and you can always edit the T-sheet. The game team. Go back to T-sheet and Game Team tab. So this is a cross-foursome setup. You will select the course from the drop-down menu. So we have added 3 groups. Ideally, there are 4 groups because there are 32 players. Each group has 8 players in it. You can only select 1 player from each group to set up the across foursome. So this is a demo purpose, we are missing group 4 over here. But you can always add groups in across foursome setup and select players. If you don't have the players already, you can just click on Invite Player button and invite new players. There are 4 teams. Each team has 8 players in it. By clicking on plus Add Team button, you will be able to add a team. So now let's go back to Home and Menu. So this was the whole setup process for the BGA app. This sets you up for creating a game and playing a game. In the next video, we'll show you how to create a game and add score. So stay tuned. Thank you.